Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable camera access for apps to protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized use of your camera, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your device by tapping the gear icon. Step 2. On iPhone or iPad, tap on Privacy and Security, then tap Camera to view all apps with camera access. Step 3. On Android, tap on Privacy or Apps, then tap Permission Manager, and select Camera to see apps with camera permissions. Step 4. Review the list of apps that have permission to access your camera. Step 5. Toggle off the switch next to any app you want to prevent from accessing your camera. Step 6. On Android, you can also select Ask every time to be prompted each time an app requests camera access. Step 7. Repeat these steps for any additional apps you want to restrict from using your device's camera. Step 8. Regularly review app permissions to ensure only trusted apps have camera access. Step 9. Note that disabling camera access may limit the functionality of certain apps that require camera permissions to work properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.